is Resilient Samurai. And as we know, this is in supply chain. This is going to be given to an organization that has implemented their business continuity and go-to-market strategy in an exemplary fashion during the crisis. I invite Ms. Preeti Mishra, publisher, Dynamic Manufacturing India, and founder, Meshmix Media, to announce this award and give away this award. Preeti?
Thank you, Anand. A very good evening to you all. So I'm here to present the Resilience Award. So basically, resilience is the ability to withstand adversity and bounce back in a better way. So I'm pleased to announce the Resilience Award in supply chain category. And the award goes to Indospace Development Management Private Limited. And congratulations to the team. I think we have Mr. Srivastav, Managing Director, Projects and Development here from Indospace. So over to you, Mr. Srivastava.
Hi. Thanks, Vishmix, for this recognition. We are very happy to receive this award and see that our efforts have been recognized. A slight introduction to Indospace. We are the industrial and logistics parks provider across the length and breadth of the country. We have today a portfolio of 36 parks with approximately 37.3 million square feet of built up area. We are a GLP joint venture company. Like we are the leaders in India, they are like the world leaders in this field, in the field of industrial logistics. Having them as the joint venture partner helped us immensely with respect to our resilience effort with regards to COVID-19. So they had an early experience in the months of Jan and February to deal with the situations in China and Europe and actually rest of the world too. So because of their experience, we got prepared very, very early. When it was only hitting India in the months of March, we were ready with our protocols already. So we implemented very, very strict protocols across our portfolio, across the length and breadth of the country. This was done within the month of March itself, which led us not to have, in fact, to have very, very few cases, even by having such a big portfolio there. What we did was not only establish the protocols and implemented, we also monitored the implementation. So this was done by creating new applications. These were mobile-based applications on which the operations people could directly upload what all they had implemented over a questionnaire that was provided on the app, which was monitored centrally from the home office at Mumbai. What we did was tracking. Also, we created two further apps. One was for communication to all our employees, as well as one app was created specifically for the 127 blue chip tenants that we have across our portfolio, just to make sure that they know what are the protocols they have to follow in our parks, right from the entrance of the park, including hand washing, sanitizers, how much social distancing you have to maintain in the parks, etc. And what you have to do in case there is a suspected infection case. And we had also created some isolation areas, etc. in the premises. By God's grace, we didn't use them much. So lots of initiatives taken at our end to prevent. Also, we did some contributions towards community. Under our CSR initiatives, we actually took care of more than 1,200 construction workers across the portfolio. Then in the neighborhoods, we provided the daily essentials and the groceries, etc. to the nearby villages. We provided sanitizers, PPEs to the villages, to the government departments, etc., who were taking care of the essential services. We in fact distributed to the Pune police, Chakan police, we distributed fitness bands just to have them check their vital numbers at all times while they were on these essential services. We in fact provided ambulance services also across our portfolio to the local municipalities to help out the local community in addition to our business. So yeah, these were some of the things that we did.
Thank you. Thank you,
Mr.
Pallav. We really appreciate and we are grateful for your presence here and for your participation in the awards process. We must share with you that the entry document and the presentations were all very well top notch and very well prepared. And the highlights that we saw of the initiatives that you did in line with resilience and people safety were outstanding. So I can congratulate you once again and thank you so much for taking care of your people and for you and your customers in such great ways. Thank you so much, Pallav.
Thank you so much, Anand and Mesh Media.
Thank you.